Welcome again to my tutorial video on how you can buy and sell your crypto via P2P method today. Try to watch, subscribe, like and share this video to all your social media handle so that another people will benefit from this particular video. It's very important. Just like, share. All right, thank you. So let's go back to the video right now. If you want, the first thing you need to do is to just make sure to create your own account. I have already made a video on how you can create and verify your Bybit account. The video is down below this video. All right, so you need to just make sure to verify. So after that, you can, let me show you how you can go about it right now. You need to just, if let's say you want to come to your asset as an example, you want to come to this particular asset down below this video, down, then you can see something like deposit here. That is another method. All right, you click on deposit, then you can see where the right are P2P. You can see, which is P2P. You can also buy here with a MasterCard, but I don't think is working perfectly. But the one is recommended is this one, is P2P trading with your what? With your fiat currency. Then I tap it. When you tap it, it will now bring you to what? To P2P, dashboard for you guys to know the trader you want to, you want to trade with. You can buy and sell your crypto with your own fiat currency. All right, so you can see we have buy. So I will show you one of the things you need to just make sure to do so that you can buy with a right person on Bybit app. I'm gonna try to come to this feature. All right, when you come to feature, all right, you must make sure to see, make sure you tick this one. You can see show only verify advertiser, show only eligible what. All right, this area, tap here, then you need to just click on, let's say within 15 minutes you are done, or even 30 minutes, let's say 15 to 30 minutes you are done. Then you come to this confirm. So that's all right, you can see. Then you have to just make sure to come to this area and type in how much do you want to buy with your fiat currency. All right, then you come to, let's say you tap, let's say I want to buy with 20,000 Naira. All right, with your fiat currency as an example. Then you're gonna try to come to this area and select the method you want to go for. You can say bank transfer, whatever. You can tap it like that, and you see, you can see, or you can even leave it at all like this. It depends on, or you can select the bank you are using for fast transaction. Let's say you want to use any bank you prefer to use, you can use that. Can you see? Then the current rate right now is 1,400, 1,400, 543 in in Naira. So you can see, so right now you can you see you have already, so it will bring you a professional rate trader that has a record 99%. You can see all these traders are well verified trader that you can easily trade with on Bybit. All right, so you can just click on buy right now. If you want to buy, you click on buy. It's that simple. Then you enter the amount you want to go for. Let's say you want to buy with 20,000 Naira. All right, then you click on this buy button. All right, you click on buy button, you buy. All right, you can see. So right now you need to just make sure to to check the percent that you want to trade with, so that you guys can see. You can even contact the, click on this contact the person. All right, you can see, you say I'm active. All right, then you go back again and see. Then you, after right now, you need to just make sure to click on pay now. I may not show you some area here because for security reason, you click on this pay now. All right, then you just make sure to, you are going to see the details. I may blur all this area for security reason. All right, so then after you you make the payments, you will now click on this payment complete. So once the person confirm your order, all right, then the crypto will be on your assets area, and I will show you where you are going to see your fund after you make your payment finish. It's that simple and easy. So after you make the payment and everything done, you are going to see your money on your funding account. Let me just open it like this. You are going to see the fund you buy on your funding, and you see the money will be here on your funding account. That means you have successfully buy. All right, so let me show you how you can sell as well. If you want to sell, it's very simple and easy. Let me show you. You just go you just come to this deposit again. You come to deposit again as an example. When you click on that area again, then you come to this area again. You come to, all right, you need to just make sure to click on this P2P as well. All right, when you click on that P2P, you will see what I just taught you for you guys to know how to buy. So right now, let me show how to sell. Right now, how to sell. You come to this sell area. You know, before we click, we stick to buy, but right now we want to go for sell. I want to sell. All right, if you want to sell right now, I show you should just go back to this area. All right, you can see show it. Then you click on confirm. So how much do you want to sell? The another thing right now is to just make sure to click on your profile. You need to just set up your account. You come to profile here, you down here, there is some settings. You need to just set up your payment method. When you click it, all right, you need to just click that area and set up your payment method. All right, so where you want to receive your fund. All right, so that is very important to set it up. All right, so when you click on that area, make sure you set up your payment method where you are going to receive your fund. It's that simple and easy. So once you do that, let me just go back to the dashboard of P2P. So right now, this is I've already set up everything right now. Finish. Then how much do you want to? Then the first thing is to just go to how much do you want to sell. You can say you want to sell the one of 20,000 naira as an example. All right, is that then you select your payment method you want to go. You select your preferable payment method. You choose you choose your own payment method as an example. You can see, then you can see we have a lot of orders here. You can trade with all these guys. It depends on how much you want to go for with 20,000 naira. Then you just come to sell. When you come to sell, you have to just type in the amount you want to go for, either in fiat currency. But since you want to sell the one of 20,000 naira, you just click on this area and the fiat currency. Then you click on this. Let me just go back and show you something real quick. You know, a FITSA. When you come to FITSA, sorry, so less than, I just want the fast pay, less than 15 minutes. All right, confirm. So then I can pick the first one or this one, anyone I like. I can just pick anyone. All right, click on sell. Then you choose the fiat currency here. Then you type in the 20,000 naira you want to go for. Then and you see, then you just make sure to click on sell right now. It's that simple and easy. Then let me just do that right in the short minute right now. It's that simple. Then I just make sure to do or whatever. All right. Right now, I'll be expecting the buyer to to pay me before I can click on release. I can even contact the buyer here. Then you say I should, okay, I should drop my number. So I'll drop right now. I'll drop it. Then I'll proceed with the video to you guys. Even the buyer has made the payment already. Let me just go and confirm the payment right now. It's already making the payments right now. You can see I'll just come to release right now once I confirm the payment. Let me just go and confirm the payment. So right now I've already confirmed the payment. I will just come to, I'll just come to release and release the asset to the buyer. It's that simple. Let me just show you right now. I'll come to release. I'll just say okay. I'll click on this confirm. I'll now say okay, release. So I'll just try to put my everything. So let me just do that right now. Can you see successfully? The order has been complete successfully. So this is how you can just sell, buy on buy. If you enjoyed this video so far, try to like, share this video across all your social media, and you can see I have already the order has been complete successfully. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, guys.